Hello students, now today we will see about the third lesson of our maths, subtractions. We know that subtraction. Now let's see. In this subtraction we are going to learn about the 5-digit subtraction, okay? Now I will write one example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5-digit number I wrote here. Again subtraction minus sign. Now let's do subtraction. We know that ones, tens, 100, 1000 and last one is the 10,000. Okay, 93,421, 43,121. We have to subtract from this and this. 1 minus 1, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. 4 minus 1, we know that 3. 3 minus 3, 0. 9 minus 4, 5. This is called as a subtraction. This number is called as what, and the answer we get is called as what. Okay, now let's see. When we do subtract from bigger number to the smaller number, this big number is called as the minuend. And the minuend from the we are doing subtraction, this is called as the subtrahend. Now both of them we get difference. Okay, minuend, subtrahend, now we get difference. Okay, now first in this subtraction lesson, the first point is subtraction of 5-digit number without regrouping. Okay, now let's see. Now let's see subtraction of 5-digit number without regrouping. Okay, here I wrote example 97,654, 31,253. Now we have to solve this subtraction without regrouping. Now let's see, we'll write here. First number we have to write from front side 654. Back side we have to move 3, 5, 2, 1, 3. Now sign minus. Now place of each digit in 5-digit set. Okay, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Now let's do without regrouping. Okay, 4 minus 3, we know that 1. 5 minus 5, 0. 6 minus 2, how many remain? 4. 7 minus 1, 6. 9 minus 3, 6. Now answer we will get 66,401. Okay, this is a simple without regrouping, so that it is a simple. Now let's see second example. 74,518 minus 50,240. We have to do subtract. Okay, first number we have to write. Now second one. Now let's do difference. Minuend minus subtrahend is equal to difference. 8 minus 4, 4. 1 minus 1, 0. 5 minus 2, we know that 3. 4 minus 0, 4. 7 minus 5, 2. Now answer we will get 24,304. Okay. Now the second point in subtractions, subtraction of 5-digit number with regrouping. Okay. First we will see that without regrouping. Now here we have to see with regrouping. Okay, I wrote example 74,361 minus 26,892. Now we have to write first number. Second from back side we have to go. Now we have to write place, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. This is a regrouping. Okay, now we know that big number minus small we can do easily subtraction, but here is opposite. Now small number minus big number we have to do subtraction. Okay, let's see here. 1 minus 2 is going? No. Now this one we have to write upside, and we have to take 1 from 6 here. Now this one we taken here. Now 6 minus 1 become 5. Okay. Now 11 minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. 11 minus how many we have to do cut? 2. Remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now answer is what? 9. Ones place. Now tens place we have to do. Again 5 minus 9 is going? No. Now we have to take 1 from 3. Now 15 became. Now here 1 be given to the 5. Now here become 2. 3 minus 1, 2. Now here 15 minus 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many we have to do cut? 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now again do here 100 place. Again 2 minus 8 is going? No. We have to take 1 from the 4. Now here become 3. Now 12 minus 8, remaining we know that 4. Again 3 minus 6 is going? No. We have to take 1 from the 7. Now here 7. 6 remain. Okay. Now 13 minus 6, we know that 7. 6 minus 2, easily we know that 4. Now answer is we get 47,469. This is called as the regrouping or with carry subtraction. Okay, now let's see second example. Now look at I wrote B. 65,728 minus 13,169. We have to do subtraction. Okay, with regrouping. Now we know that 8 minus 9 is going? No. This 8 we have to write upside, and we have to take 1 from 2. Now here we have to write in front of the 8 1. Now they 2 minus 1, 1 remaining. Now 18 minus 9, if you know directly you can do Scrabble or lines with the help of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. How many we have to do efface? 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is a ones place. Now we have to do tens place. Now 1 minus 6 is going? No. We have to take 1 from the 7, and 7 minus 1 becomes 6. Okay. Now 11 minus 6 we have to do. We know that answer 5. Now 6 minus 1 is going. We know that answer is 5. 5 minus 3, 2. 6 minus 1, 5. Now answer we get 52,559. This is called as the with regrouping. Subtraction of 5-digit numbers with regrouping. Okay, I hope you have to understand this. Now on the basis of the without regrouping and with regrouping, I will give you homework you have to do. Okay, now today we will stop here.